Welcome to a journey of breathtaking beauty. Today, we embark on an exploration of the top 10 most beautiful beaches in the world, where pristine sands meet azure waters, and dreams become reality. Number 10. Anse de Grand Saline, St. Barts. Our final destination is the serene St. Barts, where Anse de Grand Saline awaits with its unspoiled charm. Lose yourself in a tranquil oasis of azure waters and pristine shores. Number 9. Eagle Beach, Aruba. In the Caribbean paradise of Aruba, Eagle Beach delights with its iconic fafoti trees and seemingly endless stretch of soft white sands. As the sun sets, witness a symphony of colors painting the sky. Number 8. Anse Source d'Argent, Seychelles. Returning to the Seychelles, we find ourselves captivated by Anse Source d'Argent. With its striking granite formations and shallow turquoise waters, it's no wonder this beach has been featured in countless postcards and films. Number 7. Matira Beach, Bora Bora, French Polynesia. In the mesmerizing French Polynesia, Matira Beach awaits with its overwater bungalows, palm-fringed shores, and an ethereal turquoise lagoon. Surrender to the allure of this Polynesian paradise. Number 6. Navagio Beach, Greece. On the captivating island of Zakynthos, Greece, Navagio Beach takes center stage. Framed by dramatic limestone cliffs, the iconic shipwreck lends an air of mystery to this stunning paradise. Number 5. Baía do Sancho, Brazil. As we venture to Brazil's Fernando de Noronha archipelago, Baía do Sancho beckons with its untouched beauty. Embrace a world of snorkeling and diving wonders, where colorful marine life dances beneath the waves. Number 4. Pink Sands Beach, Bahamas. In the Bahamas, we uncover a true gem, Pink Sands Beach. Its captivating name derives from the blush pink sands that stretch as far as the eye can see. Romance, tranquility, and natural beauty converge here. Number 3. Anse Lazio, Seychelles. Next on our journey, we venture to the Seychelles and discover Anse Lazio. Tucked away on Pristine Island, this beach delights with its unique blend of lush greenery, giant granite boulders, and an inviting, serene ambience. Number 2. Whitehaven Beach, Australia. Traveling south, we find ourselves in the heart of Australia's Whitsunday Islands, where Whitehaven Beach dazzles with its pristine silica sand and captivating hill inlet lookout. Prepare to be mesmerized by nature's artistic canvas. Number 1. Grace Bay Beach, Turks and Caicos Islands. Our first stop is Grace Bay Beach, nestled in the enchanting Turks and Caicos Islands. This idyllic destination boasts postcard-worthy beauty, with its powdery sands and crystal-clear waters, perfect for a day of relaxation and underwater adventures. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey through the top 10 most beautiful beaches in the world. Nature's wonders are abundant, and we hope this video has inspired your wanderlust and appreciation for the splendor of our planet.